Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you my messy kitchen and how I get it back in order. So normally my kitchen doesn't look like this. I've been trying to load the dishwasher as I go, but all of these dishes were from the night before. I left them out for the sake of this video, so the crazy things we do for YouTube. So first off, I'm just showing you guys how I'm loading my dishwasher. So I rinse all of my dishes. I can't even talk. I rinse all of my dishes and then I put them in the dishwasher. And I was really excited because I was trying out my new Mrs. Meyer's dish soap pod things. I don't exactly know the name of them, but so it's a big fail, guys, because my dishwasher isn't working properly. And so the thing that like has the soap and like releases the soap into the dishwasher, it like will not open for some reason. And so basically I ran my dishwasher 3 times now and it's only using water and it won't release the soap. So we're gonna have to have people look at it. So I can't tell you if the product is actually good or not because I've not actually been able to use it because my dishwasher is screwed up. Ugh. Drama. But here I am just showing you guys what I'm using, and I don't really like the lavender scent, so I think next time I might get this in like the lemon verbena or whatever scent it's called, but I got the lavender this time and I'm not a huge fan of the lavender scent. So now I'm just showing you guys how I'm washing like these random dishes, a pan that wouldn't fit in the dishwasher, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle dish soap. I love this stuff, you guys. I love it so much. So just rinsing that off. Also, the thing on the bottom, it's not dirty. It's just like a stain that will not come off. I've tried to scrub it. It's just not working. And then I'm going to go ahead and scrub the sink. Now, so I did this and I didn't realize that coffee mug right there was still out, and so later on I have to go back and clean that. But normally I wait until all of my dishes are clean and then I will clean the sink, and I like using the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser for this. I just feel like it gives a nice good deep clean. So I just clean the inside of the sink with that, and then after I rinse everything out, I'm going to be taking the Method Anti-Bac in the scent Wildflower, and I'm going to be spraying like around the sink and such just to kind of clean it up. It's hard to do with the cream cleanser because you have to go back behind it and rinse with water, but then you get like water everywhere. So I just decided to use the Anti-Bac spray for the outside of the sink and just focus on the inside of the sink with the baking soda cream cleanser, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm just kind of rinsing everything and, you know, getting it all nice and clean, and then I'm putting everything back to where it needs to be. Next up, I'm taking the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser and I'm spraying my stovetop. I don't get too worried about if it gets on the burners and stuff because it dries up and it's nothing to worry about. So I'm sure some people may have an issue with that, but that's just how I do things. So it's just how I roll. But I really love this product because it really does a nice job of getting like all the oils and stuff that you use to cook, like since they've splattered and gone everywhere when you're cooking, which it happens. Like there's just no way to really avoid that if you're really cooking, you know? So I really like this product because it gets all of that off of there and it just really gets it nice and clean. Like I love my all-purpose sprays, but they don't get that, like the oils off of there, you know what I mean? So then it's still like oily and greasy and gross, but this product really does get that off of there, and I love using it in my microwave too because it gets all that gross stuff out of there, you know? So now I'm just wiping the front of the oven, like the oven door, because oils and stuff will get there too, and I don't like it. It's gross. So I decided to go ahead and clean it. I don't do it every time I clean my kitchen, but I definitely felt like it needed it this time, so I just went ahead and wiped it down. Next up, I'm taking the Method All-Purpose Spray in Honeycrisp Apple. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you would know this is my absolute favorite cleaning product. I love this. I love the scent so much that I'm just like, I want to clean even when everything's all clean because I just want my apartment to smell like that. Like, I really want Method to come out with a room spray to that scent because I would be spraying that all over the place all the time. But this is definitely my favorite all-purpose spray. And normally, if like I've cooked with raw meat or something, then I will definitely use an anti-bac on the kitchen counters. But I hadn't done that, so I just felt like using this spray, and it works, and you know. And then I also cleaned off my, what is this, like bar area, I guess. But the footage on that was so dark that I just didn't even include it in this video because literally it was just so dark. There was no way to like correct that, correct the coloring or anything. So I just put everything back in its place, and then I went ahead and wiped it down with the all-purpose spray because, as I've said, I'm obsessed, guys. I'm obsessed. So the last thing I do to get my kitchen in order is I like to sweep and mop. I'm only showing me sweeping in this video. I didn't show mopping because I didn't like the way it turned out. But if you're wondering, I use the Method Squirt and Mop in the scent Spearmint Sage to mop. And if you want to see how I do that, you can check out my bathroom clean with me because I show it over there. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this clean with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite kitchen cleaning product is. I would love to know. Also, if you saw any products in this video that you want to try out, I'm going to leave my Grove collaborative referral down below. You guys can get free gifts with purchase, so definitely check it out. I love Grove. I cannot wait for my next Grove order. But yeah, if you want to see any of the cleaning products or you want to try out any of the cleaning products I use, the link is going to be in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos. If you want to see more cleaning videos, just let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe because I am just on a roll with the content right now. And click that little bell notification so that way you'll get an email anytime that I upload and you won't miss anything, because we all know sometimes YouTube doesn't always show you your subscriptions, so make sure that you click the bell notification so that way you'll be notified. And that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.